Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your carrier supports Esim and that you have the QR code or activation code. This is required to provision the profile. Once done, make sure your Galaxy S23 Ultra is updated to the latest One UI and connected to stable Wi-Fi because downloads happen over the network. Then unlock the phone and open settings. You're going to add a mobile plan right away. This step prevents common failures and speeds the provisioning process. You tap Settings, then Connections and SIM Card Manager. Choose Add Mobile Plan to begin. Next, scan the carrier QR code or tap Enter details manually and type the activation code. This is how the network maps service to your device. Accept any carrier permissions. They allow profile download and network access. Once the profile downloads, you'll set a label and choose primary versus secondary roles for calls or data. This sequence ensures the plan is correct. You finish by restarting the S23 Ultra to finalize the eSIM activation. This clears temporary network states. After reboot, check the signal bars and carrier name in the status bar, then open SIM Card Manager to set your preferred data line and adjust roaming. If the eSIM doesn't activate, try rescanning the QR, request a new activation code from your carrier, or use the eSIM restore function in settings. These steps resolve most provisioning errors quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.